Today's adventure started out waking up at camp, and I got up before everybody else and decided I'd go see if I could catch some pictures of the sunrise. It was cool but not too cool, and beautiful out. I even got to have a staring contest with this big deer. He eventually won. I turned around and walked away just to give him the opportunity to cross the road or do whatever it is he wanted to do. Finally, the guys rustled up and we had some breakfast. I took a few more photos and we got on the road. Last year we came through here and Groundhog Reservoir was empty. They had it drained to do work on the dam, I believe. And just in the year's time since we were here last, it is completely back up to full. It was a pretty shocking discovery to see the difference. Pretty neat little resort area, way out in the middle of nowhere. My favorite part of this is probably the aspen forests that you pass through.
Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, there you go, Mark. Take that shortcut right up there and you can save the next switchback. Yes. Yep. That's right. All right. Gray Dog, how you doing? Awesome. All right. Got another. Got one more coming up here, kind of just like it. Oh my God, look at the view. Photo op, I need a picture. Ugh. God, this is so cool. Look how far you can see. Yeah, there's another one right there.
That one don't look too awful bad, actually. I mean, I ain't gonna do it. But
I want to do it.
I wouldn't do it. I'd turn around.
Oh my gosh, I want to jump this, but I'm not going to. I have a gnat in my helmet anyway.
Little did we know, today was about to get pretty challenging. The afternoon rains came in and turned this road into the greasiest, slickest mud you ever tried to ride a 500-pound motorcycle on. And we struggled up and over a pass to lead us up to 145 highway. And of course my GoPro batteries were dead, so I didn't get any of it on film.
We have had a hell of an adventure down up and over this pass. So it started raining, and this mud is like,
Hey, Bubby.
it's grease. It's so slick.
I'm in
Look at my tire.
about, 9,800 feet in the middle of Colorado on a motorcycle in a mud road.
And anyway, all the way up it was slime when it started raining. It was fine until it started raining. It turned into slime, and then all the way down we've been just having to just tippy toe down because I've dropped my bike like 5 times. I haven't dropped this bike 5 times since I freaking owned it. But anyway, all in all, we're having a freaking blast. I hope you are too. All right, update. We have made it down off of that incredibly slippery pass. Waiting on Mike and Mark to show up. We are at a crossroad and standing on a bridge over a really pretty stream. How about that? It's beautiful out here. Absolutely beautiful. Having the time of my life. It's hard. It's raining. I don't care. Mark, what the hell's your name? Brian? Are you having fun?
I'm having a blast.
Excellent.
Once the front wheel starts turning again, it's all good.
We finally made it into Telluride for gas. Cut up around the pavement to Ouray, to the KOA just north of there, and got a cabin. And went down to Ouray for Mexican on the patio, and went back up to the campground to get ourselves sorted and showered, and good night's sleep to get ready for the next day. Thanks for coming along. Tune in for part 3.